let's hear about the subject of forks. Here, this one in the middle is the fork that came out of that old junk bike that I recently slaughtered, and this gives me a clearance of approximately 7 millimeters for a front tire. In the past I used this white fork, which is a 28-inch fork, and that only gave me 55 millimeters versus 70, so I'm gaining 15 millimeters, so that is plenty. What would have been even better here is this is 75 millimeters, but the problem is that the amount of straight length of the top half of the fork here is quite better. Also, the diameter here is thicker on this fork, which gives me a better chance to slide the white tube inside the black one, and I can shape it nicely here as if it was lugged. So here's the plan. I'm going to figure out some kind of way of cutting this, as I already played around here. So I'm going to cut it like that, so leave a sharp edge here so it looks like a lug because it is overlapping. And then I'm mostly going to first of all just spot weld it so it's fixed and I can make sure everything is straight. The distance between the lower half of the fork will be correct. I'm keeping this on here now just to measure of where to cut this, because the first cut is just to make it a little shorter so it's easier to transport. So this I just have here as a reference, and then I will also cut off the lower legs of that white fork. So that's the way forward.